So tell me something about you in brief, Parth. What Parth
Okay,
has the
so
capabilities, what achievements,
okay, sir.
what projects, and something more than that.
Okay, so you'll be quite amazed with that. So, hey everyone, good afternoon. I am Parth Sharma, a CSE undergrad with a strong grip on Java, MERN stack, and full stack development. I've built reliable projects like Case Cobra, a phone case e-commerce site using Next.js with image editing, secure admin access, and other features. Also, I've built Snapgram, a full-fledged social media platform with features like infinite scroll, post engagement, followers and following, etc. I've been also part of a team that won multiple state level and national level hackathons. That is Team Debugging Earth. I'm sure you've heard of that. And even filed a patent for smart garbage collecting boat with association to our college. And I'm a problem solver at heart, fond of Java, grinding lead code each and every day, constantly learning new technology. And I'm now aiming to bring all this energy and skill to an SDE role where I can build scalable and impactful project. And one of my main long-term goal is to build something of my own. Yeah, that's about myself, sir.
Okay. And what about your internship, Parth?
Okay, so sir, in the past 1 year, I've cracked 6 companies for the internship of backend, frontend, and full stack developers role. Some of the companies are LakeBrains, Webernix, Websonor, Regex, ZDO, and the latest internship which I've cracked was Codentius. In second year, due to some reason, I was unable to join the internships, but after the semester examination, I have been looking forward to work with Codentius as in backend developer.
Okay. So in a year, almost six internship. That is good.
Yes, thank you, sir.
So almost all the internship having the time period of 2 to 3 months, or it has less than that also.
So there was one internship which was of 45 days. After that internship, all of them are from 60 to 90 days. The one which I'm going to join is of 3 months only.
3 months. So do you feel that internship plays a very important role in the learning?
I think internships are one of the biggest game changers in the life of a software developer or I'd say computer science undergrad. क्योंकि sir, what internship brings to you, you get to know about the प्रोडक्शन लेवल कोड हम पर्सनल लेवल पे कितना भी अच्छा कोड कर ले हम कितना भी मॉड्यूलर एमवीसी कोड फॉलो कर ले बट व्हेन यू स्टेप इनटू द कंपनी you get to know what actual production level code is how actually they are written and what actually the conventions that they follows so yeah that is a great blend of your learning and their practices.
Okay, somebody has not done any kind of internship. He or she is focusing more on study, having good percentage also, doing project by their own. Nowhere he or she has done internship, having good knowledge, good combinations of the languages. Is or he can be capable. Likewise, a person who has done more than 6 or 7 internship, like so.
Okay, so that depends on which kind of job or whatever we can say, which kind of job or post they're looking for. But as far as I know, the person who has done internships will have more experience क्योंकि उसको उस environment से familiarity है. And जैसे ही उसको उस environment से वापस उसको जाने का मौका मिलेगा, तो the company will prefer the one with internship experience rather than projects experience. क्योंकि personal projects के अंदर आप ना version control use करते हैं ना आप इतना लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं आप सिर्फ अकेले काम कर रहे हो बट जिसने इंटर्नशिप्स करी है उसने टीम के साथ काम करा है उसने मैनेजर के साथ काम करा है एंड दे हैव इंडस्ट्री लेवल एक्सपीरियंस रादर देन पर्सनल लेवल एक्सपीरियंस.
Okay, my last question: that in which field you want to go? You want to become a software development engineer,
Yes sir, SD.
SD.
And to be
You don't
precise
want
I
to go
am
for full stack?
sorry.
You don't want to go for full stack development?
Sir, as of an SD intern and SD job role, I think सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट एंड द कोर सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट जो होता है जैसे उसके फुल स्टैक के साथ में जो कोर होता है लो लेवल डिजाइनिंग हाई लेवल डिजाइनिंग वो सारी चीजें इसमें आती है तो आई थिंक सिर्फ फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट से ज्यादा अच्छा पूरा एसडी है.
Okay. So SD covering all aspects.
Yes sir, all the cores of the computer science engineer.
What kind
And
of
to be
advanced
precise,
knowledges, advanced languages you know?
sir, I know Java. I'm fond of Java. I've been working on Java from since like first year.
Java comes under the advanced technologies languages.
Java is a language which is used for development, for I'd say system designing, and for all the other things like app development too. So Java is an advanced technology. It depends just how you are using it, because आप development के अंदर देखेंगे तो Java के साथ में आप Spring Boot plus React use कर सकते हैं. Backend, all of the backend can be written in Spring Boot. And if you say app development, the core logic, the core Java can be used for app development. And उसके साथ में many of the fintechs like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, all of them are using mainframe and Java as their tech stack. So I think Java is one of the most advanced technologies and most widespread technologies in CS field.
Okay, Parth, nice talking to you.
Thank
You
you, sir.
have some exposure, some internship also, some projects or the achievements, likewise hackathon in your hand. So
Yes,
you have
sir.
a blend of many things. So that is good out input, as well as when we are talking about output, that the chances of getting output accordingly will also be slightly high, right? Explore
I'll do
yourself
my
more
best, sir.
into some advanced technologies also, and whatever you are doing in the form of internship, learn and more, gain more and more experience, right?
So I heard you want to become a software development engineer at companies like Google and Amazon, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So tell me, why should Google and Amazon hire you versus so many other students and from other colleges?
Okay, so that was the first question where which I've asked myself जब मैं इस चीज के लिए aim कर रहा था. So I got my answer in second year. You can talk to each and every person. There will be only 10 out of 100% who are doing what I am doing. I am grinding DSA daily. I am making projects on development daily. I am working on each and every aspect possible. If you talk about core CSE fundamentals, if you talk about hackathons, if you talk about internships, if you talk about DSA, if you talk about development, I have been working each and every possible dynamic of my technical skills, which will make me more flexible or adaptable to their industry level, I'd say, environment. जिसकी वजह से they would prefer someone who have better knowledge in each and every domain with someone with only single or double domains. That's what I think.
Okay. So how are the, let's say, let's talk about Google. How is Google's software development requirements different from other companies?
Okay, so sir, Google follows a principle, employees first, and Amazon follows a principle, users first. So what happens in Google is they want their candidate to be deserving of what they are giving. You, as you like, I think all of us know that Google has the best working environment in whole technical field. So what their requirements are, they want someone who can give their best if he is getting best from other side. They don't want someone who take their I'd say who take their perks for granted.
So
Okay, sir.
why
So
should you, why are you best at an entry level?
okay, sir. So entry level के अंदर जो भी चीजें चाहिए होती है like core CSE fundamentals like object-oriented programming, databases and networks. I have like cracked all of them, all of these
Hmm.
subjects. After that, they need data structure algorithm. They need logical and critical thinking in a candidate. I have that. They need some sort of internship experience or some sort of development experience. I have that too. और उसके बाद में मेरे achievements curriculars के साथ में भी अच्छे हैं और extra curriculars के साथ में भी अच्छे हैं, which makes me a perfect fit for them.
But you, it's a question of being best, not, it's not a question of ticking 6 things that you have. Have you, you do hackathons, right?
Yes, sir.
So how many hackathons have you come at the top?
So that is a pride thing to try. That is which one thing I have pride on. I participated in 6 hackathons, and in all of them, my team has won.
Your team has?
Won in each and every one of them.
So why can't you talk about it? When I ask you why are you the best, why aren't you talking about these things? Sir,
Sir,
I have everything that you need, but let me tell you that we have participated with my team in 6 hackathons and we won all of them.
yes, sir.
Are you
So I just
getting a
have to
point?
share my achievement.
Yeah, and See, you have to understand that if you want to get into Google, you have to prove that you are one of the best. And
Yes,
how
sir.
do you prove you're one of the best? Not by saying, I know
By
data
sharing
analytics.
your achievement.
You're sharing your achievements. What have you?
Yes.
All the instances where you have won, you've come at the top. All those you need to talk to both Amazon as well as Google, more so Google, because Google goes on, they want to pick up the best performing people. They don't want to look at the base level. They want to look at the top of the pyramid. So you have to say, yeah, I've been here. I've been walking around this pyramid for a long time and I've reached many times on the top. And these are the things I've done. I'll be happy to tell you more about it. So,
Yes, sir.
so pitch yourself. Again, it depends on where you are pitching. If you're pitching for Google, do this pitch. If you're pitching for someone else, this will also work. So kind of make a good pitch for yourself. I think you have done a lot of work. I won't spend too much time. What you need to make a list of the things that will impress your recruiter genuinely